morning, everyone, team. Welcome back to the sessions. Let me start the session for today. Meanwhile, others can join parallelly. So, in the last 2 days, yesterday and day before yesterday, we had demos on this Oracle Fusion HCM cloud application team, right? So, as part of the last 2 days sessions, what we have discussed so far, let me quickly recap the things that what we discussed in the last 2 days. Okay. So on day one, we spoke about the concept of ERP. Then we discussed what is Fusion application, and within this, what is Oracle Fusion HCM cloud application is for, right, team? And then we discussed about the Fusion application evolution overview. And also we discussed types of companies involved in this product. Then we discussed Oracle Fusion environment releases. When Oracle launched this application in the market, what is the version that they came up with? Since then, how the application got evolved and what is the latest version today that we have seen team. And also explained you on day one, what are the modules we have in this particular technology and what we are going to cover as part of our training that we have seen team. And then we spoke about the career opportunities in this technology. Then why Triotech? What are the course program details? Then what support we will provide? These all things we discussed in our day one session. And in yesterday's session, that was day two, okay, on April 1st, yesterday, we were talking about Oracle Knowledge Repository. I have explained you how in the internet you can access Oracle standard materials that which Oracle delivering, and also every quarterly upgrade every 3 months when Oracle upgrade their application, what new features Oracle bringing in the system, where we can access that all we have seen in our Oracle knowledge repository team. Yesterday, I have explained you the navigation for that in the internet. And then we also seen yesterday Oracle certification process. If anyone want to do Oracle Fusion certification, what is the approach, right? How the examination pattern will be, and what is the charges for certification, where we have to go and we have to book the exam, mode of exam, type of exam, right? These all details we discussed yesterday. And I told you this is not a mandatory concept in the system. Certification concept is not mandatory. I told you, team. So these all things we discussed by yesterday. And also in yesterday's session, I introduced to you the Fusion application, like how the Fusion application looks like when any client or the customer buy the product from Oracle. Okay, how the application will be delivered, in which form, cloud based technology, our Fusion applications were offered, I told you. And we have seen how to log in into the Fusion system by using our user ID and password. These all things we have seen, team. And then I also told you what were the different names that we have in order to refer Fusion applications in the corporate world. Whenever you enter the organization, whenever you're working in your projects, what is the name that you have to call the Fusion application? I told you. What I told? We can call the Fusion applications as instance, environment, server, tenant, pod, sandbox. Different names we have for our Fusion applications to refer team. And also I told you one important thing yesterday. What was that? When you working in the projects in the real time, if you are working for multiple clients, how you can identify which client environment is what. I told you that 4 character pod number in the URL that will be unique for client to client when Oracle selling the product team. Correct this one. The 4 characters pod number that will be unique, I told you team. And some differences between the demo training server, real-time servers, that all we discussed yesterday. So these things we completed so far as part of our training. So yesterday and day before yesterday, these things we discussed. Now today, let me show you how to log in into the system and basic home screen functionalities. Today's topic is getting in touch with Oracle Fusion HCM cloud application. So how to log in? When we log in, what functionalities we've been experiencing? After login, what is the home screen? What are the different functionalities we have in the home screen? Let us talk about them, team. So as I told you, the Fusion applications are completely on a cloud-based technology. When any client or the customer buy the product from Oracle, application will be delivered just in the form of the instance, the URL. So just if you take this URL team and if you keep it in your browser, any search engine of your choice, click on enter. Now my screen will get load and I will be prompted to sign in screen for the Fusion application team. So let me introduce to you today the Fusion applications, how it looks like. What happened suddenly? Okay, this is the screen team. So whenever you keep your instance in the Google, Firefox, or any of the search engine, this will be the login screen that we will be receiving team. Oracle Cloud sign in. So in order to access Fusion application, we require our user account team. For any cloud applications you take, for example, you want to log into Facebook, you want to log into Instagram or LinkedIn, Naukri, or Gmail, your account is required, right? Your user ID and password you will give. Same way, in order to access the Fusion application, user account is needed team. So this user account, how to create, that all we will cover in our next session. So next session, I will be starting with our very first module as part of our training, security. In this module, we will be dealing with that, how user accounts will be created, how the access will be provisioned in the Fusion, when we go for the project, how we will kickstart the project, how we will get access to the client system. That all we will talk here in tomorrow's session team. But today, just I'm trying to introduce to you. I'm making you familiar how the Fusion application looks like. Okay. So as of now, I'm using one of my account in order to log in into the system. Today, in your WhatsApp community, we will be sharing this Fusion application access also for practice. Already, team, yesterday in the session, as I told you, for all the participants, okay, today morning, couple of people got shared their details, midnight something they did, except for them, till last night, we have sent emails to every one of you. So in your email, whatever that you received from Triotech software trainings, we have sent you the learning portal credentials and also WhatsApp community link. So please join in that link team. So today in the WhatsApp community, we will be sharing the application access also. So you can start exploring today after the session what I'm showing to you now in the application. Okay. The user ID password we will be giving to you. By using that, you log in and you explore the application today. Okay. So in order to log in the Fusion system, we require username and password. Currently in my laptop, this HCM IMPL 18 and the password is auto saved team. That's why they are coming by default. And then team, whenever you signing in only, you can choose the language also. In which language you want to use the application. Oracle Fusion applications are multi-language supported applications team because Oracle is a big giant company. It's not having only presence in United States. Across 50 plus countries in the world, Oracle Fusion applications are being used. So to give more regional experience, to give more personal experience to their customers, Oracle supporting multi-language for their applications team. For example, if you see our mobiles, we can go to settings, we can go to language and we can switch the language, right? From English, we can keep it to Telugu or Kannada or Hindi so that the entire mobile language will be changed to your native language, correct? In Fusion application also, different languages Fusion system will support. Whenever you signing in only, you choose the language. Let's say team, my client is from Germany. They want to use the system in German language team. So they will choose the language. While they're logging in only, they will choose the language. Now page is loading, see? The moment I change the language, entire things got changed to German. See, everything changed to German language. Or let's say my client is from Middle East. They want the application in Arabic team. Okay, or Japanese, my client is from. I want the application in Japanese. If I choose the language, screen will get loaded. Now see here, all the options coming in Japanese here. If I click on sign in team, the application will come in Japanese language. So here you can choose the language of your choice team. What you want, you can select your language here. Okay, you can select your language here. In Arabic, if you want, you can change it to Arabic team. So see from right to left, it will come. See, everything got changed to Arabic here. So here you have the provision to maintain the language for which you want to log in. So now I'm putting back to English. Okay. Then username and password are given. Like every other applications in the market, Fusion system also will have the options called forgot password, need help signing in. These options team. What are they? See, now this is my account. Okay, I'm using to log in. Let's say I forgot my password. Okay, so if you click on forgot password team, it will take me to one screen. See, forgot password. When my account created in the system, email ID will be given, right? So that email ID I can give here team, and then I can choose whether I forgot the password or I forgot username only. Choose the option. Give your registered email ID in system, then forgot password. If you click on, if you submit team, system will send a password reset link to you. Or if I select this option team to the email ID what I'm giving, system will send my username details to that. So while logging in, if you face any difficulties, okay, your account password or username you forgot team, whenever your account created in the system, email ID will be given mandatorily. So these buttons will helpful to you. Either you can go here or even you can come to need help signing in. So this will give you a documentation assistance team while logging in. What are the issues that you probably encounter? Oracle documentation, this is that if you want to
Kumar,
explore, you can do that team. This cloud account and all. Hello, yes, please.
yeah, I have
Yes,
a
Anisha.
question. So, would this happen the same way in the when you work real time, or is just for the practice purposes? Because sometimes on some applications, when you're working real time, the organization holds the credentials, right? Like, I mean, when you're signing on single sign-on options and all. So, would we have the control over our
It
passwords?
depends.
And yeah,
It depends how we are implementing the system. When
okay,
that's what the security module is there here. When we implement that security, we have the set of rules. whether we can maintain the password reset by ourselves or only admins can maintain. That configuration we'll be seeing here. But today, just I'm giving you the overall functionalities we have in the system.
Okay,
How
thank you.
client will use it depends.
Okay,
Okay.
thank you.
Thank you, Anish. So team, here if I come to the cloud account details, here I can see the domain details of the application and all. So this is my pod number, EUBG in the instance, the details you can see here team. And then if you input the username and password of your language in which you want the application to be, and if you click on next, system will take you to the home screen. So this is the main home screen of our Oracle Fusion application. This is what the look and feel of our Fusion application team. In real time, the application also will be same like this only exactly. Whatever the application we are using for our training, same features, same visual, same everything. Nothing will be different in the real time team. Okay. So this is the main home screen of the application. Good morning, a welcome message to my user HCM IMPL 18. Okay. And then team, we have to talk here. These all options. What are all these things? What are these three lines here? And what are these icons? Let me talk about them. Whenever we log in, once we come to the main home screen team, I could able to see several icons coming up in the screen. First of all, different sections I am seeing. I have sales. Then if I select this Redwood sales, service, me, procurement, my client group, help desk, different sections I have on the main home screen. And if I click on the arrow pointing towards the right, more sections will come team. See, more sections are there. See, they are scrolling from right to left. See, many are there. Many are there. And if I select them, any of the section, if I select team, now I'm selecting a section called My Client Group. When I select that, under that I'm getting different apps here. Hiring, candidate sourcing, journeys, new person, absences, goals, performance, talent review. Many options I'm getting here, team. Then if I move to another screen for another section, me, then under that I am getting certain options coming up. Then if I go to help desk, then I'm getting some options under that accordingly team. What are these all things? This entire area, what you are seeing on the screen, this entire area where my cursor is moving team, this entire area, we call it as springboard. What is that? This entire area, we call it as springboard. And each section we are seeing here, we call them as functional area. Me is one functional area. Procurement is one functional area. My client group is one functional area. So this entire area we call it as springboard, and within springboard each section we call it as functional area. And under them, for example, if I select my client group, under them I am getting different option. We call these things as sub-functional areas. Springboard, within Springboard, these are functional areas, and under them, whatever we are having, we call them as sub-functional areas in the system. Okay, and then team, on the top left, we have three lines coming up here. What is that team? If I keep my cursor there, that we call it as navigator. Once I click on that navigator team, a bar will open from left to right. Whatever we are seeing here in the springboard, all the functional areas team, here horizontally they are arranged, correct? Sales, Redwood sales, service, me, procurement, my client group, help desk, product management, whatever that we are seeing in the springboard their functional areas, under them the sub-functional areas. You can also access them from the navigator. See, if I click on these three lines, navigator, a bar will open from left to right. Okay, see, here in the vertical arrangement, we can able to access them. See, same team. Here what we have, first sales, then Redwood sales, service, me. Here if I come, sales, Redwood sales, service, me, procurement, my client group. See, if I expand them team, if I expand them team, all the sub-functional
Excuse me.
areas under that team, let me keep
Hi.
everyone in.
Okay.
Ramandeep, any question you have?
Yes, sir. Could you repeat the names of functional area and down is
Sub-functional
springboard?
area,
Yeah. And
sub-functional
another
area,
one, which you said,
navigator, navigator.
only
This is
three days.
navigator. Yeah,
Okay.
navigator, this is.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you. Team, I'm keeping everyone in mute. Let's have the discussion for some time because the flow is getting interrupted. Don't worry. I'll come to every question. No, don't worry, Ramanna. So here, if you come to the navigator team, you can able to check the same functionalities. So here, if I go to sales, whatever I have under sales team, uh, workspace, activities, deal registration, same I have here. See, if I come to sales, workspace, activities, deal registration, I can collapse that again. Then here, if I come to my client group, we have hiring, candidate sourcing, journeys, new person. See here, if I come, my client groups is there. If I expand that team, same options, hiring, candidate sourcing, journeys, new person. Here in the vertical arrangement, we have all our functional areas and sub-functional areas team. Either you can pick up that option from Springboard, you can come, you can pick up here, or you can go to the navigator and you can even pick up the task from here if you want team. So both are one and the same. This is Springboard and this we call it as navigator team. Kumar, what is this vision here? See, this is our training environment. Here some dummy logo Oracle given for training environments coming here, vision. But in real time, your client will ask you to place their company logo here. Then we can able to do that team so that their employees, when they're using the application, they can feel that it's their own application team. So here their client's company logo we can place, that we will see in our module of customization and personalization team. When we come to this module, I will teach you how to update the logo in the system, how to do screen level customizations, that all we will talk to. Next, what we can talk, this is Springboard, this is Navigator. Within them, functional areas and sub-functional areas we have in the system. Then team, here we have some icons coming up. What are these? This is home button. Like every other application team. For example, you are using your mobile. So you are on your Instagram application and you are using the Instagram. Okay. Or you are in your Gmail screen or you are in your YouTube screen. Some screen you are in the mobile. If you want to close it and if you want to come back to the main home screen, what you will do? Simply you will click on home button. Correct? In our mobile, we have home button, no? When we click on home button, we will come to the main home screen. Same way, within the Fusion application also, this is home button. Home symbol is there. You be on any screen, any activity you performing. For example, team, I'm going to For example, team, I'm going to my client group. Generally, in Fusion system, this is HR self-service team in core HR module. If HR people want to hire any employees, they will come here. Let's say I'm on this particular screen, my client group, new person. Okay. And then I'm going to hire an employee. Generally, HR people will come to hire the employee records in the system. These all we will see in our core HR module transactions team. Now I am on this screen. I'm doing something here. Now immediately I want to close this screen. I want to go back to the main home screen. Simply You be on any screen. Example, I came to this. You be on any screen. Just click on home button. Okay, which is a mandatory field. Stopping, just ignore that. Just click on the home button team. Now see, page is loading. It will take me to the main home screen. This is what the button is team. Home button. So you be on any screen in the Fusion system. You want to come back to the main home screen. One click away. Click on this home button. That will come to the main home screen team. Then we have star button available. What is this star button is here? This is favorites and recent items tab. This is what team? Favorites and recent items. See, many of you might aware team in your Google Chrome also we have the concept of bookmarking. See, star mark is there, means this URL I want to save for future purpose team. Whatever the tiles you are seeing on my Chrome, these all are bookmarked team. See, these all are bookmarked. So any .com, any website, if you want to save for future purpose to refer, you can bookmark that particular tab team so that it will be saved in your browser. Same way, within Fusion system, we have that bookmarking concept in favorites and recent items. If I click on it, I will have here favorites and recent item. What do you mean by favorites team? See, whatever the daily routine tasks that you perform in the system, you can add as favorites team so that you can quickly access them. I'll tell you with an example. Let's say we configure the system, we hand it over to the client. They are using team. So in the client side, I have one employee who is a HR admin. Every day, what is the work of that person team? Whenever he come to office, whoever the new hires there, they're all records that person will create in the system. So generally team, the client side HR people, if they want to hire new employees in the Fusion, they will come to my client group, they will go to new person and they will pick up on hire an employee task and they will perform. Let's say I have one employee every day in the morning once he come to the office, he will perform this transaction. Whoever new hires are there, he will perform the hiring team. It's his daily routine task. Correct? This is his right daily routine task team. Okay. So we can able to bookmark that task. How you know? Beyond the screen, whatever the transaction screen that you generally perform most frequently in the system, beyond that screen, come to star button, come to come to star button, click on star button, go to favorites, click on add to favorites team, click on add to favorites team. So here you can create a folder first of all, something like my daily routine tasks, my daily routine tasks. Okay, so here you can give team, click on save. Now you get the folder that hire an employee transaction. I am saving into that folder. So this is one task every day as a user I will perform in the system. Next, I have one more screen. Generally, every day what you mostly do, that screens you have to identify team. So next, let's say I'm going to the home screen, then my client group, then I will go to person management. So what is this and all I will tell. So I came to this screen. Even this also I want to add as favorite team. Come here, go to favorites, add to favorites in your folder of my daily routine task. That screen also, search person also I'm adding team. Like this, whatever the most used screens by you in the system daily, you can add them as your favorites team. Now, the very next day when I come in, rather than going to my client group, new person, then clicking on hire an employee, whenever I log in, if I come to the star button and if I go to favorites team, if I go to favorites team, okay, here my daily routine task, see the folder what I created. Under that, see the tasks are coming. Directly if I click on here, one touch, one click, I'm getting into the screen. Hire an employee team. Okay. or any other screen that what I added team here. Let's say again I'm coming back to the home screen. Now I'm going to favorites, then my daily routine task, search person. Now directly I will go to that screen. See? So like this team, clickable, quickly you can able to access them. Whatever your daily performable screens in the system you have, that you can add into your favorites. That is bookmarking concept within the system. So directly you can access those transactions from here team. That is favorites button. Then we have recent items. See team, in our Google Chrome also or any browser, history will be there. What are the recent searches you made in the website, in the search engine here, right? Whatever you have Googled it recently, all that information in the history button you can go and check. In our YouTube, we have history. In Google, we have history. Same way, within Fusion system, what are the recent items that you have navigated? Just now I came from search person screen. See, then prior to that, I went to new person. Then prior to that, I went to hire an employee. So what are my recent transactions? Whatever the screens I recently navigated, that I can able to check out team. From here also, from recent items, if I click on them, directly system will take me to that transactional screens team. See? So favorites and recent items options are those things team. Okay. So that is about this star button. Next, what we have team here, home button we have seen, favorites and recent items we have seen. Next, we have here watch list. Flag is there. What is this team? Watch list. This is nothing is there here. Generally, this particular option is not related to our HCM. See, day before yesterday, in our demo, I introduced it to you. What are the different products under Fusion we have? Now I want to give you very important information. And every one of you should know whenever you're learning Oracle Fusion technology team. I told you day before yesterday in the demo, under Fusion banner, Oracle offering multiple ERP products. We are learning about HCM, Human Capital Management. But under Fusion, they are also offering Oracle Fusion Financials Cloud, Oracle Fusion SCM, Supply Chain Management Cloud, Oracle Fusion CRM Cloud, Procurement Cloud, PPM, Portfolio Management Cloud. Like this, I told different products Oracle offering. Now the question is team. Today, Tata Group bought the product from Oracle team. So what Tata did, Tata decided to use Oracle Fusion for their day-to-day management activities. Tata want to use not only HCM team, they also want to use financials, they want to use SCM, they want to use CRM, they want to use PPM, right team? Not only HCM, all the business verticals they want to use within the Fusion system only. So what today Tata Group doing? Tata reached to Oracle and Tata subscribed the application for all the products team. So when any company buy the product from Oracle, if all the products they licensed, how the applications will be delivered? Many of you will be in the misconception that for every product separate URL Oracle will give. No, it is very important basic knowledge you people should have. Entire all the products HCM, financial, supply chain, CRM, PPM within the same application will be delivered. The access will be bifurcated based upon the security and roles team that we will talk next. But all the products, if client subscribing all the products team, they want to use financials, they want to use supply chain also along with HCM. everything will be given within the same application team. By this time, some of you might be noticed sales is coming. What is sales? Sales is nothing to do with our HCM, right? HR, right? Sales is coming. Procurement is coming. This is related to supply chain. Then we have product management, risk management, contract management. Then we have order management, supply chain. Then see receivables, general accounting, intercompany accounting, cash management. These are related to Fusion Financials functional areas team. Currently, our training environment licensed with all the products and my user, what I am using, I have full control, full access to all the applications in the system team. That is why I could able to see all of them. So generally speaking, whenever any company buy the product from Oracle, all the products will be delivered within the same application team. The access will be bifurcated based upon the security roles we have to the user. Why I am telling all these things? This flag symbol, watch list, this is related to financials and supply chain product area, not for HCM. That's why I'm telling, please ignore that. It's not our cup of soup. Then team, we have here bell icon. What is this bell icon is about team? Some 22 something got highlighted here. What is this bell icon? This is notifications bell icon team. If I click on it, I can see all the notifications in the system, whatever I received. Basically, I introduce it to you. We have one module in the system called workflows and approvals team. Means across every module, core HR, absence, payroll, talent, compensation, several transactions whenever being performed, we can trigger them for an approval. For example, my client asking me, Kumar, in absence module, whenever an employee apply the leave in the system, it should go for concerned manager approval, Kumar. Or Kumar in core HR module, whenever HR hires a new employee, it should go to employee's manager for approval. We have a module separately to handle them team, workflows and approvals. We will be seeing when we come to that topic. So generally, managerial cadre people, HR cadre people, whatever the approvals routing to them, here they can able to check every day. In the bell icon team, like this, the approval will come. This is related to payroll. See, approve, reject, what is that approval is about. These all will have accessible here. So this detailing we will see in our approvals and workflow module. But this is something where managers or HRs will be receiving the approvals in the system. That is bell icon team. Next, what we can talk in the application. Here, if you come, my user details team, HCM IMPL, right here. If I click on this, this is settings and actions button. This is what? Settings and actions button team. So after your work every day, if you want to sign out of the application, sign out, the users will do from here team. Then personalization, we have accessibility settings. If I go here, so in our mobiles also, if you go to settings team, we have accessibility settings. Like if you want the application to be in the default mode or screen reader mode, color contrast, how what you want. So something, if I go to screen reader mode, people who have high eyesight, the application will be coming in a zoom version team. In our mobile also, we have these options, accessibility settings. So this you can explore later, just basic things only, cosmetic level things. And then team, in the personalization area, in the settings and action, set preferences. If you come here, here we can talk about few things team. General preferences. And if I go to regional here team, I can set up some info related to the application here. See, so your client country, you have to provide your client application regional details team. Territory, your client belong to which country, you can give team. United States, India. Now some of you might get a question. Kumar, my client have their presence in different countries, in US, in India, in UK. Then what I have to give? Obviously, There will be their source from where they hail from, the main country they belong to. Correct? I am Kumar. I might have my businesses expanded in India, in US, in Canada, let's say. But my source is from India, my base. I hail from, I came from India here, right? So in your real-time projects also, you have to check with your client. Whenever you're setting up the regional information for the application, country details, what they want to maintain. So that regional details you can give team. Then date format, number format, time format. What are they team? In the system, in several screens, date type fields will come. So what is the format you want? For example, I will show you here only team. I will duplicate. See, as it's a cloud application, we can work on simultaneously in different tabs team. Just keep the cursor here. Click on the right side mouse button. Pop-up will come, duplicate. Now one more window will open team. So you can remove and you can go to the screen exactly what you want to go. So simultaneously you can perform. Just I will explain you this practically rather than telling you theoretically, you will understand team. So in Fusion system, on many screens, you will be experiencing date type fields. For example, if I come to second team, let me refresh the screen. Okay. Okay. Here, team, for example, if I go to my client group, new person, and if I go to hire an employee, here if you could see some attributes of date format. Here I have hire date, then date of birth. Example, I came to this screen. Throughout the system, any screen you go, wherever date related fields are there. Now, what is the format coming team? Today is April 2nd. Month coming first, fourth. April means fourth month. Then followed by date, followed by year. Means MDYY. That is coming from here, team. In the preferences, we can set up. See, the date format in the system is MDYY. For example, I will change team. You have different formats. I'm giving YYYYMMDD. For example, year followed by month followed by date. Okay. Now see team, what happens? See, now I'm saving it here. Now I saved it. Now let me refresh the screen team because parallelly when we are working, we have to refresh the screen. Now you please observe the date format, what it is coming. Now when I go to any screen, now see team, the format changed. Earlier what it was MDYY. Now see YYYYMMDD, date format. See here, date of birth, YYYYMMDD. Now if I choose any date here team, it is coming up first year, then followed by month, followed by date. So these attributable preferences we can set up from here team. If you come to settings and action, preferences and regional level settings team. So here you have date format. Similarly, time format. In some screens, time capturing also will be there. When you are capturing the field, how the format of the time you want team that you can select. Then number format. Whenever you go to payroll module, compensation module, salary details, whenever we inputting, the attributes will capture in numbers. So how the number format should be coming up after decimals, how many, that all we can set up team. Then currency directly as we giving territory US dollar will come. Then time zone of the system, what you want, you can set up team, your client time zone. These all are regional preferences setting up in the system. These all things in the initial time of implementation only, as per the client requirement, how they want, we will configure team. So these are not frequently changed things. In the initial time only, we will set up as per our client requirement, regional. Then team language. See, while I logging into the system only, language selection option I have. Let's say I forgot there. Now I want to change my application language team. Then I can come to language. Okay. I can change team. For example, I want it in Japanese. Okay. Display name also Japanese. Everywhere you change it to Japanese team. Now save and close. Entire screen will change to Japanese. See now. See everything. The entire application got changed to Japanese here. Now see. See everything changed to Japanese. So you have the flexibility here also. While hiring, sorry, while logging in, if you miss, after logging in also you can change the language preference team. Come here. Then I'm going to set preference. I'm familiar with the navigation, so I'm quickly going team. Okay. Oh, let me keep it with some other language first of all, because Japanese is too clumsy. Let me choose English somewhere. Oh, this is also Arabic. Huh? Actually, drop down values will. I know that exactly the positioning of American language I given, but while you're practicing, be careful. Okay, you might be taking more time. Okay, so language again, I put it back to English team. Then my photo. So whenever I am logging into the system, going forward here, I want my picture to be displayed team. Then my photo, if I come, I can able to upload my picture in the system team. See, if I upload my photo, going forward, whenever I log in the place of here HI means my first name, first letter from first name, first letter from second name, HCM IMPL. So HI coming up. So here my picture will come team. Then accessibility settings, same. Whatever we have seen here, the same coming up team here. Then password reset. As a user, if I want to reset the password, I can go and I can reset the password here team by myself. These things we can talk. Watch list is same. Whatever we have here, the same. That is related to financials and supply chain. And these are also part of finance and CRM sales cloud team. So these things we can talk in our preferences work area. Okay. Then what we have here team, administration we have. These things we will cover in the coming days, because starting from tomorrow, whenever I start our regular modules team, for example, if I'm configuring core HR module, absence module, payroll module, every day I will be coming to screen stream, administration in the settings and action, setup and maintenance. This is our FSM task here. But what is that intro to that? I will talk in next session team. And here we have some options like edit pages, edit global page template. These are related to our sandbox, this component team. Customization and personalizations, if you want to do, here we can able to perform. These options are related to that. But when we come to those modules, we will see them team. Then in the settings and action, if I come to the bottom about this application, here I can see what is the latest version of the Fusion application team. So if you want to check what is the version of the system you are working, you can able to check from here, right? Then team, yesterday I introduced to you Oradocs, where you can access the Oracle standard materials for all the modules team, Oracle repository. Within the system, Oracle embedded the hyperlink team. If you come action, and then if you go to applications help team, a URL embedded here. If I click on it, system will take me to docs.oracle.com. See, the same team. I can come to human capital management, my product. Then I can able to select team, human resources, and I can able to access my docs team here. See, all books I can keep, and I can able to get access to my implementation guides for HCM. So whatever we navigated directly from Google yesterday, docs.oracle.com, within the application, Oracle embedded the hyperlink here, applications help. Then these hide help icons, print me, record issue, run diagnostic, these options are too early to know. These are related to some particular functionalities team. When we come to the regular training, when we deep dive, when we come to the topics, I will tell you. So this is what team, the main home screen functionalities in the Fusion application. So if I scroll down, I have things to finish. So whatever I'm seeing in my notifications bell icon team, the managers or HRs can also see their notifications if they scroll down here also. Things to finish. So they can able to see here also team. Then here we have news and announcement section. So any news or announcements that our company want to share with the employees team, then they can able to publish the news that employees can able to check everyday news or articles what company sharing with them. So these things that we have planned for today team. So today the session is purely introduction to the Fusion application, how the look and feel, how the basic home screen functionalities we have team, getting yourself familiar with the system. So now, before taking the questions team, again I'm intimating to every one of you because this is very important announcement. Since yesterday, 3-4 times I repetitively told you. Again I'm telling you, please verify whether you got learning portal access or not team. Because why I am telling is, even though I tell these many times, some people will not be getting their access creation done. After 1 week, 10 days, they will come and they will ask me, sir, I'm attending the sessions, every day recordings I could not able to find. Day one, I send the mail, I will tell to them. Please check out team whether the learning portal access you received or not. If not, speak with the admin, they will give you the access team. From our email info@triotechsoftwaretrainings.com. Every one of you received emails. Please check in your spam folder also. Whatever the registered email of yours, whenever you paid the fee, whatever the email you given to us, to that emails, we will be sending the portal account access of your team. Please log in. And moreover, people trying to log in from e-learn, no, you are enrolled for live classes, correct? You have not enrolled for video program. You are enrolled for live classes. Every day you are attending the live session 1 hour in the 7 to 8 morning. Your button will be yellow color button team. Whenever you are following the steps, please don't click on e-learn. Some people clicking on e-learn and sending us the screenshots. Couldn't able to log in, Kumar. This is your button, live classes login. Click on it, input your user ID and password and sign in. Then system will take you to the dashboard team. In the enrolled courses, your program you can see. Everyday sessions you can able to recap here in your portal. In that email only, most important thing you have to do today, check yourself whether you got added into WhatsApp community or not. In that email what we sent, WhatsApp button we have sent him to add into the community. Click on that WhatsApp community button from your mobile so that you will be added into community team. So these two things please verify. Today I'll be sharing the application access also. You also start exploring the application what we discussed today team. So any questions as such in today's topic, online people? Any questions, online people, today?
Yeah, regarding the setting for the regional,
Mm.
so is that does that mean the data and the server will be residing in that particular region?
It's not about the server or anything. It's about the application functionalities to be taken up for which region in the system. That's all.
Okay,
Not related to
so
server anything.
Hi, sir. Okay, so if it is like a multi-nations company, then
Generally, that's
it,
what client will choose one country of their choice. Generally, their home country, their main headquarters where they're located. That we will give actually. Multi countries we cannot do.
okay, this has nothing to do with the data privacy aspect. I
No, no,
think
nothing,
that
nothing.
okay.
Yes, please.
Hi, sir. I'm
Hi.
Ramandeep Kaur.
Hi, Raman.
Uh, my question is regarding pod numbers. How can
Mhm.
we differentiate these pod numbers? How can we know about the
This
pod
is
numbers?
here you are seeing no pod number. Here in my instance, it is showing as EUBG. For some other client you are working means here the four characters will be with some other coding, HDFC, some other will be coming.
Uh, I couldn't understand this. Can we create this
It's
or
not you are going to decide.
okay,
Whenever Oracle selling the product to the customer, Oracle only will give the unique coding in the
okay,
URL.
Oracle will give. Okay,
Exactly.
thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you.
Kumar, I have a
Hi, sir.
question.
Yes, please.
Manoj this side.
Anyone, Manoj, please.
Sir, I have a question. This course is all about techno-functional, right?
Correct.
Uh, yeah. What is OIC like? Uh,
OIC
what
is
is the
a
difference?
PaaS component within the Fusion system. I mean to say, if you want to integrate Oracle Fusion applications with any third-party tool, for example, your client using Oracle Fusion HCM, core HR absence talent modules they are using in Fusion, payroll they are using some third-party tool. So every month from core HR and absence module, employees data you want to transfer to that third-party tool. Let's say to develop that integration, to develop that data exchange between the two systems, OIC is the middle component. It's a connecting bridge.
Right. I believe SOA also does the same, right? SOA.
Multiple ways we have. Through SOA, you can do the integration. Through OIC, you can do. Through web services, you can do. There are multiple ways. OIC is one of the Oracle ready-made tool which Oracle delivered for integrations. That's all.
Right. I'm from US. So does client expect to be
Not
OIC
necessarily.
professional along with
Not,
HCM too?
not necessarily. HCM techno-functional consultant still separate roles are there. OIC consultant roles are separate.
All right. All right. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you. Thank you, Manoj.
Kumar, I have a question.
Yes,
Right?
please.
So you have your prod environment, your sandbox
Mhm.
is your pre-prod environment. I mean,
Mhm.
in a layman language, right? So
Mhm.
how do we differentiate between implementation tenants and sandbox and your prod? So do you
I'll
have
tell
like
you.
a
Actually, that I'm supposed to tell here in our workshop session, but
uh-huh,
just I'll tell you for your reference purpose. Generally, in the real time, different environments we will be experiencing
yeah,
prod, dev, test, pre-prod like that. Simple.
yeah,
In the URL, what happened is this is my pod number. My URL starting with what HTTP. Sorry, I'm using the word URL, the instance
that's fine. Yeah, I
HTTP.
get you. Yeah, the
Yeah,
instance.
yeah.
Yeah.
HTTP FAEUBG. After that, see the extension here. I have slash test. So this is test environment. If it is a
Okay.
dev slash dev, it will come. The wording. If
Okay.
it is production, nothing will come. Just four-digit pod number will be there.
Okay.
So if it is dev one, dev two, we have the extension here after the pod number. So like that, in real-time projects, you can differentiate which environment is that.
All right.
Yeah,
Because I'm already working on work. I'm working as a workday
understood.
consultant. So I was like just
Mhm.
wanting to ask.
No
Yeah.
worries, no, Sanisha. Yeah.
Hello,
Thank you.
Kumar sir. Pratyusha here.
Hi, Pratyusha.
Yeah, hi. So the access for this Fusion application, you said you are sharing through the WhatsApp, right?
Hmm.
So will
Correct.
it be yeah, will it be shared through the email as well? Because I'm taking it from laptop.
No problem. You can just transfer that to your email. You can access
Oh,
because WhatsApp, I
okay.
believe it's very easy for me to
Yeah,
send
yeah,
the
yeah.
details quickly. That is the reason I prefer WhatsApp.
Sure.
Don't worry, you can
Okay.
use that. Yeah,
Sure. No problem.
no
Thank you.
problem. Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, team, I'll conclude here for today. Let's join back tomorrow and we'll start with our very first module in the training, security administration tomorrow, team. Okay. So thank you, everyone.